Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the last topic of the admissions of the partner. Today I will tell you the concept related with the adjustments of capitals. And the adjustments of capitals I will tell you on the basis of new partner's capital account as well as to the on the basis of old partner's capital account. First, the adjustment of capital. What does it mean? At the time of the admissions, the old partners sometime may agree to decide their capital should be adjusted according to the new profit sharing ratios. So there is a need to make adjustments of their capital according to the new profit sharing ratios. It can be done on the basis of new partners capitals account, and next one is it can be on the basis of old partners capitals account. Now first is how to make the adjustments on the basis of new partners capital account. These are the steps which you have to use after making the all the accounts: revaluations account, partners capital account. When you are preparing the partner's capital account, it will be prepared by making the all the adjustments and titles to receive, increase or decrease the capitals account of the old partners. So step number 1. Under this method, the total capital of the firm is to be calculated on the basis of incoming partner. Suppose I am telling the one example is one partner C is coming for the 10,000 capital for the 1/4 share. So the new capital will be 40,000 because he is bringing 1/4 means 10,000. So what is the total capital of the firm? That is 40,000. And now second is this 40,000, step numbers 2 you have to apply now. The 40,000 will be distributed, will be calculated, used for the calculating the new partners capital account. So new ratio will be applied. Means first calculate the total capital on the basis of incoming partners. Second is this capital, new capitals will be distributed and calculated according to the new profit sharing ratios. Like I am giving the one example here, 40,000 new capital, and when it is calculated incoming partners capital in the step number 1 10,000, in the step numbers 2 again it will be the 10,000, and but the rest of the capital like 30,000 will be distributed in the ratio. Suppose I am telling 20 and 10. So it means 20,000 of A I am taking, 10,000 of B I am taking, and the C having 10,000. So this is the new ratio distribution supposing. And now the go to the next third step. Now this ratio will be compared, new ratio, new amount of the capitals will be compared with the existing capital of the old partners. Adjustment is only for the capital of related with the old partners. There is no adjustment of the new partners capital account. So the old partners capital account will be compared with the existing capital's value. It means the first prepare the capital account and calculate the value exist in the of the old partners, and this value will be compared with the step numbers 2 with the new partners capital account. Suppose I have taken the 20 and 10,000 of A and B, and now I am comparing with the 15,000 and the 5,000. So of A and B already exist. So first of all you may observe the first A having 20,000 now already exists 15,000, and step number third and fourth is referring to compare the both. If the 20,000 is more than the 15,000 already exists, so 5,000 will brought in by A. It means he will introduce 5,000. In the same manner, I am moving to the market value, second numbers, B having 10,000, and the conditions number third is having 5,000. It means again the 5,000 will be brought in by B. But we have to come up to the value of new partners capitals account. If the new capital is more, then the difference value will be brought in by old partners, and the if it is less it will be withdrawn by the old partners. So we have to compare. So again I am telling, first to calculate the total capital on the basis of incoming partners. Second is this capital will be distributed in the new ratios for calculating the new capital. Conditions number 3, compare the new capitals with the existing capital value, or if the new capital is more, they will bring; if the new capital is less, they will withdraw the capital with the help of cash and current account. So here are the two words entries, journal entries are there, like the cash account debit or the current account will be debit is for bringing the goodwill in cash to the name of the partner, old partners, those who are bringing. But the entry will be reversed, like the uh, old partners capital account debit with the name of partners to cash or to the current. But when the question is silent, entry will be adjusted according to the cash account. So now I am moving to the next, adjustments on the basis of the old partners capital account. When I am taking the new partners, I took the share of new partners. But when I am saying for the old partners capital account, first you prepare the capital account and calculate after the all the adjustments the partners capital account. So condition step number 1 makes the combined capital already exist in the capital. That means that capitals after the all the adjustment is to be combined of the old partners, and then their shares will be applied on this combined capital for calculating the total capitals. So like 1/4 share is of incoming partners, then rest 3/4 is for the combined capital. So with the 3/4 you may observe the total capital of the firms. So it means combined capital, if you are getting the shares of combined partners will be taken as to calculate the total capital. But sometimes the question is saying to calculate the new partner shares. So you have to apply the new partner shares on the total capitals, then you may derive only the new partner shares. So there is no need to make any adjustments in the old partners capital account. But sometimes the question is saying means to make the uh, adjustments in the old partners in their new profit sharing ratios. Then the step number 2, after calculating the total capital, then again the same process you have to take, like to distribute in the new ratios, and then new capitals will be derived and the new capitals of the old partners to be compared with the existing capital. And then if the new capital is more, they will brought in the cash or the capitals, or but if it is the new capital is less, then they will withdrawn, as like this step number before I discuss. So the need of calculating of the new capital and compare with the existing capital. Only then the difference can be find out for making the adjusting entry. Entry is the same in the both cases, but the techniques are totally different. So you should try to make the practices for calculating the capitals of the adjusting partners. Thank you.